And well, with the countdown to the crucial GST meeting on Saturday, ET Now learns important announcements are expected for the insurance sector. Sources said the GST Council has this time invited few insurance company officials in the meeting. To understand what is expected from the GST meeting, we are joined by Anurag Shah.
After a long gap, GST Council meeting is happening and general insurance industry is also expecting clarity on few issues industry is facing from last 5-6 years. And as per our sources, this time industry officials also called for GST Council meeting. And one major issue industry is seeking clarity is on salvage value deduction related to the motor insurance claim. Presently insurance industry is not paying GST on salvage value deduction, but tax officials are claiming that salvage value deductions as a sales and taxing it at 18%. Last year in August 2023, ICICI Lombard got a tax demand notice of 273 crore related to GST on salvage value deduction. So industry is hoping clarity on salvage value deduction. Other major issue is industry is hoping to get clarity is on GST on co-insurance premium. Around 20 insurance companies has got demand notice from GST department of 15,000 crore. In March 2024 this year, insurance companies approached Bombay High Court also because as per insurance companies, GST on co-insurance will lead to double taxation. So insurance companies are expecting a clarity on GST on co-insurance also. So if insurance industry get clarity on these two issues, it will be a major relief for general insurance industry.
And well, with that, it's time for us to slip it to a short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with some more news.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.